What's up, guys? Wanted to share my Glock 17 mag setup I got here. First thing I'd like to point out, this is a Glock 17 mag, but it's holding 18 rounds right now. I was able to get one more round in. I don't know, I never heard of that, but apparently it holds one more round. As you can see, I'll take out, it's really tough to get that last one in, but as you can see, it's full. It's at 17, and this was just in it, so it's the first thing I wanted to share. Alright, so I'll put that back. Let's unload it, or take these bullets out. Okay, so I just got this today. When I tried to take it apart for the very first time, it's extremely stiff and hard to do, but some of these edges and stuff, they kind of bend a little bit once you get it off first. If you do it like one or two times, it's easier the next time. But here, so I'll take this off first. I want to get kind of a cloth so you don't destroy the mag. Put it around there like this, and then put some clamps on here. So you want to do it just enough where it applies a decent amount of pressure, but not enough to break it. Alright, so like this. You also want to push this down first. This little button, push it down. It's going to slide back, so push it down that way and get it caught on this lip like that. See? Now you want to set up the clamp. Let's loosen it a little bit. So you want to apply a decent amount of pressure and then push down and try to slide it back. See, there it came off. So push down and up to get it off. So that was really easy since I did this a couple times, but when it's brand new, it's tough because you got to get that little tab to get out of that slot. So you can see on both sides, it's, you can see it there. Alright, so keep pulling this off and then hold down the spring plate or whatever this is called. Okay, there we go. Now I want to put the 6-round extension on it. So you take this out. This is the old spring that came with the mag. And then this is the new spring, the bigger spring. You can see it's a little longer to accommodate the 6 rounds. It's a Taran Tactical. I don't know how to pronounce it. This company. So I'm gonna put this on now. Alright, so I screwed with this already to make sure it works, but in here there's 2 little tabs, 2 little lips or whatever that grip this wire part. So you want to put one end in and then take like a screwdriver and put, there we go. See, now it's in there pretty good. Okay, so here we go with the mag. Put that up there. We're going to put on this extension, 6-round extension. Yeah, this is kind of tough with this spring, but it might be easier just to put it like this and bend it a little bit before you put it on. These springs are pretty good quality, so you can bend them just a little bit. Bend them like this, and then I think that's about it. And there, snaps in. Okay, so, and then this tab, yeah, this tab you want to push down, or this little rod. Push it in. Okay. Alright, so this is the Glock 17 mag with the 6-round extension. I also have this sleeve for a Glock 26. So you can have a Glock 26 with this to make up the little difference here. So it'll be like a 23 round, or actually maybe 24 round Glock 26 with a Glock 17 mag. I'm not sure if I can get 6 more rounds on top of the 18. I know it's a 17, but as you saw earlier, you can get that 18th round in. So let's load it up and see how many we can get in. Okay, so okay, so we're at 15 right now. Getting a little stiffer, but got a long ways to go. Okay. Okay, there's 20 rounds. Getting pretty stiff now. Sounds like something's jiggling now. Once it gets down there, maybe one of the bullets starts jiggling in here, but okay, 21. 22. This should be the last one, maybe a 24th. I'm not sure. This one's tough to get in. Shit. Okay. That is 23 rounds. Can it go any further? Nope. No, that's about it. Alright, so here's a 23 round Glock 17 mag. I'm going to use it in my Glock 26 with this sleeve. This is a pretty sweet setup. Probably don't want to conceal this, but for the range it'd be pretty fun. I guess that's it. Alright, so I'm going to take off this 6-round extension and put on this 3-round extension, this Pierce grip, and see how that works. Alright, so I'm going to push this little rod down, slide this off. Okay, and then actually it's kind of hard to get this off because you see that spring? It's kind of caught in there. I don't know how much it can handle, but now it's getting bent a lot, so I'll just keep. Alright. Doesn't look like it bent it too much. Alright. Okay, so take off the spring for the longer one. Go back to the original, which is this one. Let's put this back on. Spring. Okay, that's in. Okay. This. Alright, so here's the little insert on the Pierce grip. Does it go like this? Or wait, like this? I think it goes like this. Yeah. Alright, so push that down. And then slide this in. Okay. No, it should be out. It should be out, I think. It doesn't look like it is fully out. Oh, actually, yeah, it is. It just doesn't. It's seated. This little tab is just not very big. All right, so. Okay, so this is the Glock 17 mag with the 3-round extension. We'll see how many I can get in. Okay, so that's coming up on 17. Okay, so this is 18. It's getting difficult. 19. But there's still some more room. I may have to go off camera for this and use my lap. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. There, alright, so 20 rounds. You can only get 20, right? Well, it does come down a little bit, but I'm not even going to try to get a 21. If you have one of those loaders or whatever that you can put on and get some more leverage, you could try that. But yeah, you can see it comes down a little more. But I'm not going to try that for 21. But yeah, so this is right 20 rounds in a Glock 17 mag with the 3-round extension, the Pierce grip, and then the X grip. Oops, comes down like oh yeah, I had it right. Oh, this way. Yeah, so like that. So yeah.